Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Bebes and today I'm going to show you how to download a pretty nice sound mod to your FiveM. So first what you want to do is click the link in the description, download the mod, get the files up, and then you want to go to your main GTA folder, not your FiveM folder. After that you want to go to x64, you want to go to SFX, and then you'll have all the files there. Basically what you want to do now is simply drag and drop all the files and replace them. And after that you just want to go back into FiveM and you're done.